My name is Marcos and I'm here to talk about management functions when it comes to business. But first, what is a business? A business is an entity who seeks to gain profit from a specific activity. Even though the word business is a very wide concept, these profit seeking activities provide with some good or service that people need or want. Even working at loss, the important thing is that these seek to profit from what it does. In other words, from what it gives to the public. When it comes to a business, their profit don't always have to rely strictly on cash payments. Given the times and the evolution of the concept, business can profit from stock, cryptocurrencies, equal trades, and lately NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Businesses don't always have to be a big building with a big purpose. There are big businesses and small businesses. A big corporation with lots of employees and an important goal is a business, as well as a person who offers their creative skill on a freelance basis is also a business. Most of the time, they are known as self-employed workers. Now, let's talk about who is in charge of a business. The efficient and effective run of a business and the one in charge of it is the management. Management administers the organization, whether it's a business, non-profit, or government body. They are in charge of setting the strategy of the organization and coordination of the efforts of their employees to accomplish their objectives through the application of the available resources. Management refers to people who manage the organization, the managers. When it comes to small or medium sized businesses, the owners are the ones who manage their business from time to time, or at some point employ someone to do so. Whether they are owners or employee, the managers administers three primary components: financial resources, capital resources, and human resources. The major branches of management are financial management, marketing management, human resource management, strategic management, production management, operation management, service management, and information technology management. In big organizations like enterprises or corporations, the management is a job for the chief executive officer, also known as CEO. This is the ultimate person in charge. The responsibilities of the CEO are set by the organization's board of directors or other authority. Some of these are being the decision maker on strategies, the leader, the manager, and executioner. It can also involve a communicator role from time to time. Let's see which are the four functions of management. These are consistent no matter the type of business or organization. All managers must perform the four basic functions of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Although some will spend more time on some functions than others depending on their managerial role in an organization and how well they can handle these four functions. Planning. The principal task of a manager, among many others, is to create a plan that not only meets but fulfills the company goals and objectives. This involves from delegating responsibilities to the correct distribution of the employees' resources, as well as setting realistic timelines and standards from completion. Planning requires management constantly checking the progress in order to make the proper adjustment whenever is required, without losing sight of the company's aims and goals. One of the most important parts of the planning process is for the manager to work independently and determine what responsibilities to give to each and which employees. It has to set priority levels for every task, as well as create a deadline for those expectations. Communication is very important too on this phase. Not only having to constantly check the team's progress, a manager has to do other things like to present the plans and how they are going to be made to the company's leadership, as well as facing constant supervision from them. Organizing. Along with planning, a manager's organizational skills can help to ensure a company or departmental unit runs smoothly. From establishing internal processes and structures to knowing which employees or teams are best suited for a specific task. Keeping everyone and everything organized throughout daily operations are important functions of management. Organization isn't just about delegating tasks efficiently and making sure employees have what they need to accomplish their tasks, however. Managers also need to be able to reorganize in response to new challenges. This could come into practice in the form of slightly adjusting the timeline for a project, reallocating tasks from one team to another. Leading. Managers should be comfortable and confident commanding their team members' daily tasks, as well as during periods of significant change or challenge. This involves projecting a strong sense of direction and leadership when setting goals and communicating new processes, products and services, or internal policy. Leadership can manifest itself in a number of ways, including recognizing when employees need an extra boost of reinforcement and praise to handling conflicts between team members fairly and decisively. Often, managers may function as leaders even during small professional interactions by modeling supportive, encouraging, and motivational qualities. Controlling. To ensure all of the above functions are working towards the process, managers should consistently monitor employee performance, quality of work, and the efficiency and reliability of complete projects. Control and quality control in management is about making sure the ultimate goals of the business are being adequately met, as well as making any necessary changes when they aren't.